A very good update I am sharing regarding nationality and citizenship of Portugal, which will be really beneficial for those people who will apply for Portugal passport, nationality or citizenship in the future. And this facility Portugal government is applying in the coming months, and definitely it will reduce the time of citizenship from which is already now currently time duration is 6 months to 2 years, and that will be reduced, and that will really beneficial for the people who are waiting to apply for nationality and who will apply in the coming days. My name is Irfan Ashraf. My channel name Irfan Visa News always provide you very useful immigration updates, news, counseling and analysis. Hopefully you will subscribe, like and share my channel. Dive back to the news once again. The Portugal government immigration department is making online issue of passport and nationality or citizenship because they thought that time consuming after 6-7 years almost, because person who will stay for file locking up to TRC card almost 2 year time will be consumed in this tenure, and then 5 year to get the passport. 5 year he will stay with TRC card, 2 year he will stay without TRC, total 7 years. Then he will apply for nationality or the passport. Still you will be astonished, the agents or social media people will not tell you, because still you will wait for 2 years to get the passport after 7 years. That time I'm talking about the Portugal government thought to reduce that time from 2 years to almost less months. Within 3 months I think they will be able to get the passport. This is a very good achievement, because people who stayed, the person who stayed for 7 years and he is applying for passport, still he is waiting for 6 months to 2 years once again. It's quite unfair. How they will reduce time? They are making system digital, mean that 50% verifications will be done online, and artificial intelligence softwares will be used, and technically we can say that citizenship procedure will be online, and online facility will be taken. A lot of people manually do this work. 50% work will be done by online and 50% work will be done by manually by the people. So at least 50% work will reduce. For example, the person who was getting passport in 6 months, he will get in 3 months. The person whose verifications are done in 1 year, they will get the passport in 6 months. The tenure, the verifications are different for the different individuals. They are taking different time for the different individual. But this is overall very good news, because if you are taking the past scenario, the people who are locking file up to the TRC card, their time is not being counted. And similarly, TRC card taking procedure is also very long, because legally you need to pay 6 legal taxes, but you paid 6 legal taxes, but government will not call you for email and will not call you for biometric, and they will wait you for almost 1.5 years. It's quite unfair. And then once again, after staying with TRC card, after 5 years stay with TRC card, you are applying for passport, then you are waiting for 2 years more. It's very dishonest, unfair, and looking at managerial mistakes. Now they are solving this issue, and after completion of the 5 years with TRC card, you will get passport at a little less time as you was getting earlier, because system is making digital now. So this is the good news I did share. Keep watching my channel, latest Irfan Visa News channel, with the latest immigration and visa updates. Irfan Ashraf, counselor. Thank you very much.